The full English breakfast. It's a right proper way to start the day, it is. A good fry-up sets you up for anything. Think sunshine, even when it's dreary out. This is about good, honest food, done right. We're talking sausages bursting with flavour, crispy bacon, just the way you fancy it. Add a couple of eggs. Cooked your way, of course. Don't forget the toast, plump tomatoes, maybe some mushrooms on the side. Let's get this breakfast show on the road. This isn't just breakfast, it's a national treasure. But don't worry, you don't need to be a seasoned chef to make it. With a few simple steps, you'll be serving up a breakfast fit for a king or queen. So, grab your apron and let's get cracking. Right, before we get down to business, let's make sure we've got everything we need. For a top-notch full English, for two, here's your shopping list. 4 sausages of your favourite kind will do. Pork, beef, Cumberland, veggie, go on, treat yourself. 8 rashers of bacon should do the trick. Smoked or unsmoked, your choice. 2 slices of black pudding if you're feeling adventurous. A handful of mushrooms, sliced or quartered, depending on how big they are. 2 plump tomatoes, ready for grilling. 4 eggs, free range if you can, fried, scrambled, poached. The choice is yours. A couple of slices of bread per person for dipping and mopping up all those delicious juices. Oil or butter for frying, naturally. Salt and pepper to season everything to perfection. Got everything? Brilliant. Now let's get cooking. First things first, whack your grill on medium heat. Now let's get that bacon sizzling. Heat a splash of oil in a large frying pan over a medium heat. Add your bacon and cook until it's as crispy as you like it. Keep an eye on it, we don't want any burnt bits. Once it's done, pop it on a plate lined with kitchen paper to soak up any excess grease. Now those sausages are begging to be cooked. Add them to the same pan and cook them through, giving them a good turn every now and then so they brown evenly while they're cooking. Slice your tomatoes in half and give your mushrooms a wipe. Once the sausages are golden brown and cooked through, take them out and set them aside. Now for the black pudding, if you're having it. Slice it and fry it for a couple of minutes on each side until it's warmed through and crispy. Remove it from the pan and set it aside with the sausages and bacon. Time to grill those tomatoes. Pop them cut side up under the grill and cook them for about 5 minutes or until they're soft and slightly charred. While they're grilling, add the mushrooms to the frying pan with a knob of butter and cook them until they're golden brown and tender. Now for the star of the show, the eggs. You can fry them, scramble them, poach them, however you like them best. Just make sure you cook them to your liking. While the eggs are cooking, pop your bread in the toaster and get ready to plate up. Right, time to assemble your breakfast masterpiece. Grab your plates and pile them high with your crispy bacon, juicy sausages, black pudding if you're having it, grilled tomatoes and perfectly cooked mushrooms. Slide those eggs onto the plate, add a couple of slices of toast and voila! You've done it! No full English is complete without a good dollop of ketchup or brown sauce. And if you're feeling really fancy, why not add a side of baked beans or fried bread? There you have it, a proper full English breakfast that'll set you up for the day. Enjoy!